Hello, my name is Dennis and this is my daughter, Alexandria Denise, and this is my niece, Tiffany Joy. We're here to sing I'm Yours by Jason and hope you like it, guys. Here it goes. Well, you done me. You better felt this. I try to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I felt like to the ground, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my best. That's never gonna do divine intervention. Reckon it to gain my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. There's no need to complicate our time. It's short. It cannot wait. I'm yours.